There it is. Alright. I did that as a backup video to the previous video to show that I could do it without getting my hands in the way. That's the same lock. That's this lock that came out of this bag that I did my third opal on. So it's a whole new ball game with the vise and the camera, getting everything set up just right. So I will analyze this video later, and I will continue to practice with this angle so that I can make better videos. Thanks for watching. You didn't have to. This is more or less for me learning not only lock sport, but camera position and all kinds of other stuff. It's a whole new ball game now. I got to get used to a whole bunch of new stuff. So if you're beginning lock sport like me, these are the things you're going to have to consider. Not just lock picking, but getting your station set up, getting your equipment, getting all your kit, knowing what to do and how to interact with it, what tools for the right job, so on and so forth. So thanks for watching. Have a good night.